Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is day 11 for my advent calendar from Lozziecreates. If you want to follow her, all of her information is down below. Just some awesome crafts and things over there, so go and check her out. And if you're new here, Lozzie made me a advent calendar of all things that I like and sent it to me, and every day has a message down here to tell me what's inside. So today says, I know you like this brand, but this time it is fan-made and totally awesome. And I have no clue what it is. I like a lot of brands, so let's see here. Let's get in here and see what it is. It's a bag! Okay, it's got something inside of it, so. Aww! I opened from the back, so I didn't see this. That's so cute! Goodie bag, Ghibli themed. That is so cute. And it has Haku and Chihiro on the front. Let's open it up and see inside. Ooh, I see stickers. Okay, some more planner stickers. Let me get in here so we can take a look at them. Lozzie is sending me subtle hints that she wants me to start journaling again. So I did say that in the new year I'm gonna start doing it again, so make sure you're following me. They will be probably ASMR. With some music in the background or something like that. But Gigi, Calcifer, who's my favorite, Totoro, some Kodamas, and then a bunch of Gigi stickers over here. These are so cute, these little planner stickers. But wait, there's more. This is a lanyard. Oh, Elle's Doodles. That's right. You sent me something from Elle's Doodles before. Look at this, it's so cute! It matches the whole thing. So we got Calcifer, we've got Gigi, Haku, No Face, Cat Bust, Totoro, Turnip Head, and then it goes through them again. I love this. That is so cute. Thank you, Lozzie. Oh, there's more. I got a pin. And then we got some washi tape. I know what this is. Oh gosh. Okay, we are doing a Studio Ghibli page for sure. Okay guys, so that is it for day 11. Lozzie, thank you so much. I love everything and I really can't wait to get started journaling. The new year is not too far away, so I already got some themes here. I've got that Gengar set that you gave me earlier in the advent calendar, and now I've got Studio Ghibli. So if you guys want to follow me, you'll be able to see this too. Thanks again, guys. You all have a Merry Christmas. See ya.